Bunch of sleepy babies. Lois is still trying to figure out what she thinks of Izzy B. Don't let her get too close. I don't want her to bite her, But just kind of slowly introducing them to each other. Lois would hardly even go on my shoulder yesterday if I was next to her. So we're making a little bit of progress. Yes, we are, aren't we, Lois? We're making some progress, baby. Are we making progress, huh? Yeah. Mama loves you. Yeah. And we love Izzy. Izzy B's crashed out as always. She's a growing puppy. Yeah. Gotta make sure Lois gets her lovin's too. Right, baby? Yeah. You need your lovin's too. Mama loves you. Yeah. It's all about balance for everybody. Yeah. Everyone needs mama time. And mama needs time with everybody. Because it gives us love. Yes. Oh, you like that, don't you? Yeah. Good at that, Izzy. Just crashed out with all her toys. Yeah. Right, Lois? She's like, yep, I want mama time.